All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the front camera of the OnePlus 8. Now, this is a video review for the OnePlus 8 for the cameras. So I wanted to show you what these cameras could do. And yes, this is a shaky cam production for this part of the video, but this is the front camera. So in order to give you some example of how OnePlus's cameras hold up, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you next to, let's pick a phone, my iPhone. I'll show it to you next to my iPhone 11, and you'll see what I mean. So I'm going to put this camera, as a matter of fact, I might just do a couple of different cameras. But let's start with the iPhone and we'll see how this works out. All right, so what do you think? This is the OnePlus 8 and this is the iPhone 11. What do you think about the quality of everything that's going on right here? What do you think about it? I'm not so much worried about audio. I'm just kind of focusing on, because the OnePlus has really good audio for recording. But what do you think about the quality of the footage here? So you're probably wondering, Jay, which one of your walls is actually correct? Well, the iPhone is displaying the color of the walls correctly. I don't know what's going on with the OnePlus, what the gray tone, at least through the viewfinder, it looks like it's gray, but it's actually not. It's actually the color, the cream color that's showing on the iPhone, at least through the viewfinders. But what do you think about this quality? Now, it's definitely better than the Galaxy S20 Plus. This is embarrassing, man. Samsung should be ashamed of themselves for putting out a front camera like this on a $1,200 phone. I mean, while the OnePlus isn't perfect, it's definitely not displaying the colors of the wall correctly. And the Samsung is, but the Samsung is way too washed out. Samsung, come on, son. Let's switch phones. Now this is going to be night and day. Now this is the Moto G Power's front camera. But the Moto G Power has the tones. This is actually, so far, to be honest, in my personal opinion, what I prefer. I like the way this Moto G Power, at least through the viewfinder, is looking compared to the OnePlus 8. The OnePlus 8 has these colors all wrong, but it still looked better almost than the S20 Plus. But this is the Moto G Power, man. I mean, if I was going to do one of these, I would take the Moto G Power over the OnePlus's front camera. All right, so now here's the rear camera on the OnePlus 8. I mean, you be the judge of how you think about this footage, but honestly, man, I felt like this little Moto G Power, man, this thing came with it, man. I thought that was the best of them all. Some of my phones are powered off and under here, and I didn't want to get them all out, so I just stopped there. But nonetheless, this is the rear camera. And let's close on a positive note, man. Let's close on a positive note because I really like how this phone takes photos. Now, I did mix some 48 megapixel in with these regular 12 megapixel shots. But let's just take a look at this, and then we'll close out this video. All right, so there you have it, man. That's the OnePlus compared to whatever phone was on my desk and powered on. The OnePlus cameras have never been spectacular for video, in my humble opinion. The OnePlus 7 was really good. The OnePlus 3T was really solid to me at the time. But, there it is, man. This is the video review. I think the photos are solid. I mean, banging photos. No problems whatsoever. But video, it needs some work. That's just what I think. I think, again, photos are good. Video needs some work. What do you guys think, though? Forget about what I think. What do you guys think? How did it do against some of the other little phones there? At all different price range. We got 200, one that's matched exactly, well, $799 or $850, whatever the iPhone was, and then the $1,200 phone. What do you guys think? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.